an raso chin sak tak na ONPP
Sir Prestone song has been released from the Apollo Hospital, and he is resting for a few days in the Meghalaya house. Over the phone with Sir Prestone song, he conveyed his best wishes to each and every citizen of the state. He further informed that he is hale and hearty. He is likely to reach Shillong in the next few days. On behalf of the party and on behalf of Sir Prestone Song, I'd like to extend my gratitude and my heartfelt thanks to all the well-wishers who have conveyed their best wishes for Sir Prestone Song, and also to those who have put their prayers for the speedy recovery of our beloved chief. We'd also like to thank each and every citizens of the Pynbna constituency in particular who have prayed and conveyed the best wishes for the speedy recovery of their beloved MLA. In just the next few days, we are going to receive Sir Prestone Song in Shillong, and very soon our Deputy Chief Minister is going to resume work and take over the